Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel, and in today's video I wanted to paint some of these yellow flowers that have this particular shape and like this. And I painted these based on this wonderful book with flowers. It's kind of like a reference that I use a lot for the shapes of the flowers, and it's a great book, and this is the actual image that I am using as a reference. So this book, you can find a link to the Amazon link down in the description below, and I'm gonna go over the materials, and you can find all the materials also in the description below. So we are going to use a cadmium yellow, cadmium red orange, and a little bit of indigo like this one. So I am using the cadmium, the indigo, and the cadmium red orange. So I am using those. I am using clean water, and I am going to use a Chinese calligraphy brush, but you can use any brush that is rounded and has a little bit of a tip, because it is important to have a smaller tip and a bigger kind of full body to the brush, like a belly, a big belly, that's what it's called. Then for the paper, I am going to use these watercolor cards that I bought a long time ago. So they are cold pressed, so they have a little bit of texture, and I will try to find them on Amazon and link them below as well. So I am, for the purposes of this video, I'm going to unfold it, and I am going to use this part of the card. So something to keep in mind with this flower is that it is a very oval shape, so all the motions are going to be like oval, and the leaves are kind of like ruffled. They're not particularly like perfect soft leaves, but they're a little bit like ruffled. So those are the two main characteristics of this flower. So I am primarily going to use the tip of the brush to start painting like ovals, kind of like this. Kind of like painting C shapes that don't quite overlap. And the C shapes start getting a little bit wider, so you push the brush a little bit more as you start going into the outside of the flower. Now I am going to use a little bit of the cadmium red orange to give it a little bit of contrast. am going to leave it like that. I am going to draw the stem and some leaves. Now for that, I am using a little bit of cadmium yellow and a little bit of indigo, and I'm mixing it and making my green for the stem and the leaves. I'm just going to paint a little one right here. Alright you guys, so we have officially finished. It was a super quick and simple tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you learned anything from this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Alright, I'll see you guys next week. Bye!